Hey everyone! In China, Nubia has officially launched the RedMagic 11 Pro and RedMagic 11 Pro Plus, marking the next evolution in its lineup of gaming-focused flagship smartphones. Both devices are powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, which represents the most advanced mobile platform currently available, delivering exceptional gaming and AI performance. Despite being distinct models, the two share many design elements and hardware specifications, maintaining the brand's signature aesthetic and emphasis on performance optimization. The RedMagic 11 Pro series introduces a sleek and futuristic design language with ultra-thin 1.25mm bezels and an impressive 95.3% screen-to-body ratio. At the front, both devices boast a 6.85-inch BOE-X10 AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, ensuring ultra-fluid motion and vibrant color reproduction. Under the hood, both models share Nubia's R4 gaming chip, designed to complement the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 by handling specialized gaming tasks and AI enhancements. Paired with up to 24 gigs of LPDDR5T RAM and up to 1 terabyte of UFS 4.1 Pro storage, these devices deliver blistering speed and responsiveness across all workloads. Thermal performance has also been prioritized. Both models feature a liquid metal VC cooling chamber and an integrated active cooling fan, while the RedMagic 11 Pro Plus takes it a step further with a pulsating water cooling engine for even more effective temperature regulation during long gaming sessions. Battery life and charging are key differentiators between the two phones. The RedMagic 11 Pro houses a massive 8,000 mAh battery with support for 80-watt wired fast charging, ensuring long endurance and quick top-ups. The RedMagic 11 Pro Plus, in contrast, opts for a slightly smaller 7,500 mAh cell, but compensates with 120-watt wired charging and the added benefit of 80-watt wireless charging, a rare feature in gaming-oriented smartphones. Camera performance, while not the primary focus of gaming devices, still sees solid hardware. Both phones are equipped with a dual-camera setup on the rear, comprising a 50 megapixels main sensor and a 50 megapixels ultra-wide lens. The under-display 16 megapixels front camera is discreetly hidden, providing a seamless design while maintaining decent quality for selfies and video calls. In terms of touch responsiveness, the RedMagic 11 Pro lineup excels. Both feature a Synaptics touch chip that enables 360 Hz multi-touch sampling and an astonishing 3000 Hz single-touch sampling rate, translating into near-instantaneous response times for gaming controls. Beyond performance, the RedMagic 11 Pro and Pro Plus are packed with premium features. They both include an IPX8 water resistance rating, 3 microphones for clear communication, dual stereo speakers for immersive sound, a rear infrared blaster, a 3.5mm headphone jack, NFC support, and Wi-Fi 7 connectivity. Overall, Nubia's RedMagic 11 Pro and 11 Pro Plus stand out as two of the most advanced gaming smartphones on the market. They combine top-tier hardware with next-generation cooling solutions, immersive displays, and thoughtful design touches. The Pro Plus' superior charging capabilities and hybrid cooling system make it ideal for enthusiasts seeking the absolute best in mobile gaming performance, while the standard Pro offers longer battery life at a slightly lower cost. Both models reaffirm Nubia's reputation as one of the leaders in the gaming smartphone space, merging innovation, power, and style in equal measure. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.